Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a groundbreaking solution that's shaking up the way we generate leads and build teams. If you're tired of cold messaging, those outdated, often frustrating outreach methods, then stick around. Let's begin by understanding what SPARKY AI really is. At its core, SPARKY AI is the flagship tool within the automatic duplication system, a complete cutting-edge innovation designed to streamline recruitment, training, and marketing. Imagine a system that not only generates leads but also nurtures them through an intelligent, automated process with minimal effort on your part. That's exactly what SPARKY AI offers. So how does SPARKY AI do what it does? First up, it eliminates the dreaded cold messaging approach. Traditional cold messaging techniques are inefficient. You send out generic emails and texts that rarely resonate with your prospects, often to a large list of contacts, and then wait in vain for responses. With SPARKY AI, however, you're stepping into a world where personalized, continuous outreach is the norm. Once SPARKY AI connects with a lead, it immediately sets things into motion by notifying our dedicated live virtual call center, known as Prosperity Consultants. This live transfer is engineered to secure an appointment right then and there. What does that mean for your business? Instead of waiting days or even weeks for feedback from a cold email campaign, you get an instant response and engaged conversation, right when the prospect is most interested. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. SPARKY AI doesn't stop after that initial interaction. It employs a robust system of continuous follow-up, sending drip emails, text messages, voicemail drops, and even making live calls. This continuous engagement ensures that each prospect is nurtured over time until they either opt out or decide to sign up. It's like having an intelligent virtual assistant working around the clock to make sure no lead slips through the cracks. Imagine if you could have a system that's not only reaching out to prospects immediately, but also following up on them consistently over years, adapting and optimizing every message based on their engagement. That's the true power of SPARKY AI. With this intelligent follow-up strategy, leads are always in conversation with your business, building trust, and increasing the likelihood that they'll eventually convert. Now let's talk about another innovative feature: advanced retargeting. When a lead visits your landing page, SPARKY AI doesn't let that interest fade away after just one visit. Instead, it retargets them across the internet, covering social media platforms, various networks, and even delivering personalized messaging through different advertising channels. This means every potential customer sees your brand repeatedly, reinforcing your message and keeping your offer top of mind. This is a game changer compared to traditional methods, where you might only see the ad once or twice before the user moves on. With SPARKY AI's advanced retargeting capabilities, you're effectively in the digital crosshairs of your prospects, ensuring that every visit to your landing page is followed by a consistent, multi-channel engagement strategy. It's like having a digital magnet that draws in and retains high-quality, motivated leads. One of the most impressive aspects of SPARKY AI is its scalability. Using intricate back-end integrations, the system can manage outreach at scale. This means whether you're contacting dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of prospects, every single one receives personalized, tailored messaging. SPARKY AI's conversational AI module is a true game changer in this regard. It can initiate and manage thousands of individual conversations simultaneously, ensuring that each message resonates with the prospect based on their unique engagement stage. The scaling potential doesn't end there. Every member, even if you're just beginning your journey with free membership, enjoys unlimited access to SPARKY AI's chatbot right from the member dashboard. This isn't just any chatbot. It's an intelligent assistant capable of generating marketing content like text, emails, and more. It can answer customer support queries, clarify compensation plans, and even generate custom marketing materials at the push of a button. Now let's compare this cutting-edge technology to the traditional cold messaging methods many of us have been using for years. Traditional methods are often one-off, generic, and ultimately ineffective. They lack the continuous engagement and personalized touch that modern prospects expect today. Cold messaging is like sending a postcard in the digital age. It might get delivered, but there's no dynamic back-and-forth conversation happening. With SPARKY AI, you're not just sending messages into the void, The system immediately processes and categorizes the responses, shifting the conversation seamlessly from a cold lead to a warm conversation ideal for scheduling a follow-up. The moment a prospect engages with your funnel, they're segmented into specific types, whether it's a Type 1 lead needing nurturing or a Type 2 lead that's double opt-in verified. There's even a system to attract job board closer leads who are interested in commission-only, work-from-home positions, showing just how versatile Sparky AI is in addressing various market needs. By automating these conversations, Sparky AI essentially teaches prospects how it will handle their outreach on their behalf, demonstrating true duplication. Prospects see firsthand the effectiveness of the system, making them far more likely to sign up and adopt the technology for their own businesses. It's a live demonstration of success that not only builds trust but actively converts skepticism into commitment. Another key benefit of using AI for prospect attraction is cost effectiveness. Traditional advertising and marketing methods typically require large budgets to reach a wide audience. In contrast, with Sparky AI, you optimize advertising and marketing strategies to target only highly qualified and motivated individuals on a global scale. The system's intelligent targeting ensures that your budget is spent on reaching people who are already predisposed to your product or service, maximizing your return on investment. Plus, when prospects interact with your content, whether it's on your landing page or through personalized drip sequences, the system collects data and continuously refines its approach. This data-driven optimization helps identify which messages perform best, in which channels and at what times. As a result, you end up with a highly efficient, automated system that doesn't just generate leads, but builds lasting relationships over time. Let's get into a real-life scenario to illustrate how this works in practice. Imagine you're launching a new product, and you want to attract high-quality leads without the hassle of manually following up on each message. With Sparky AI, once a lead visits your landing page, the automated system kicks in immediately. It initiates contact, segmenting the lead according to their engagement level. At the same time, it triggers the live virtual call center, ensuring that a human expert is ready to convert that initial engagement into a booked appointment. After the call, regardless of whether the lead signs up immediately, Sparky AI continues to nurture them. Over the coming weeks and months, your prospect receives personalized follow-ups in the form of emails, SMS messages, and even targeted ads across social media. This sustained engagement not only builds brand recognition, but also reinforces the value of your offer, eventually converting that lead into a committed customer. It's this continuous, intelligent nurturing that sets Sparky AI apart from outdated cold calling techniques. Another feature that truly makes Sparky AI stand out is its integration with multiple marketing channels. Gone are the days of having to manage multiple tools separately. With Sparky AI, every component, from landing pages to drip sequences, retargeting campaigns, and even your personal dashboard, is seamlessly integrated. This unified approach means that every aspect of the customer journey is optimized for conversion. The result is a smooth, cohesive experience for your prospects and an incredibly efficient workflow for you. Furthermore, the platform is built with user-friendliness in mind. Even if you're not a tech guru, you'll find that navigating through Sparky AI's dashboard is straightforward and intuitive. The system provides detailed reports on campaign performance, allowing you to see exactly how your leads are progressing through the funnel. This level of transparency, and the ability to adapt strategies based on real-time data, empowers you to make informed decisions and fine-tune your marketing efforts as needed. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the shift from manual cold messaging to an AI-driven process. Not only does this transition free up your valuable time, but it also eliminates the stress of crafting a never-ending series of follow-ups. Instead, Sparky AI handles it all. This means you can step away from repetitive tasks, refocus your energy on strategic planning, and ultimately, better serve your customers. Imagine having more time to develop your products, engage with your community, or simply enjoy some well-deserved downtime, all while your AI assistant tirelessly works to grow your business. The benefits of using AI for prospect attraction extend beyond efficiency and cost savings. There's also a profound impact on scalability and duplication. With traditional narration, we often see successes in small pockets where things work manually. but scaling that up requires significant manpower and resources. Sparky AI's automated processes are designed to duplicate success effortlessly. It shows your prospects that the system they're considering carries the potential for tremendous growth, and that this growth has been engineered to duplicate itself across multiple teams and markets. To sum it up, with Sparky AI, you're stepping into a new era where outreach is no longer a hit-or-miss game of cold messaging. Instead, you have a tool that optimizes every step of the customer journey, from the first digital touchpoint to ongoing long-term engagements. It seamlessly integrates advanced retargeting, scalable outreach, personalized follow-up, and real-time dashboard insights to not only generate, but also cultivate high-quality leads on autopilot. So, if you're done with the inefficiencies of traditional cold messaging and ready to enjoy a constant stream of motivated, qualified leads, Sparky AI might just be the partner you need. Whether you're in network marketing, affiliate programs, or any field where lead generation is crucial, this tool delivers what you need: automated success and minimal hassle. Before we close, let's go over some key takeaways from today's review. Sparky AI is designed to replace cold messaging with intelligent, continuous engagement that converts prospects into scheduled appointments. It leverages advanced retargeting and personalized follow-ups across multiple channels, including calls, emails, texts, and even social media. The system is built to scale, ensuring that no matter how many leads you generate, each one receives personalized outreach. With a user-friendly dashboard and in-depth performance reporting, it empowers you with the data and control necessary to fine-tune your marketing strategy. Finally, by freeing up your time from repetitive tasks, you can concentrate on strategic growth and relationship building, making your business more efficient and ultimately more profitable. It's a bold step forward in how businesses handle prospect attraction. No more wasting time and money on outdated cold messaging strategies when Sparky AI provides a robust, automated solution that works round the clock. Thank you so much for joining me on this in-depth review of Sparky AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who could benefit from smarter prospect engagement, and of course, subscribe for more reviews and insights on the latest in marketing technology. If you have any questions about Sparky AI or want to share your own experiences with automated prospect attraction, drop a comment down below. I'm always excited to read your thoughts and to help where I can. And remember, if you're ready to say goodbye to cold messaging and embrace the future of autopilot prospect attraction, check out the link in the description for a demo or more information. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and always be one step ahead in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. God bless.